Guys, Google is doing something very interesting in his Pixel 8 series. According to a new leak from an internal source at Google has revealed our first detailed look at the cameras on the Pixel 8 series. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will get an updated 50 megapixel main camera sensor with Samsung ISOCELL Gen 2 replacing the ISOCELL Gen 1 from the Pixel 7 series. The new leak also clarified that the Pixel 8 will retain the 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 ultra-wide camera sensor from its predecessor, while the field of view will be slightly wider with a 0.50x zoom ratio this time compared to 0.67x on the Pixel 7. Guys, Pixel 8 Pro will bring a new 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor for the ultra-wide lens with a 0.49x zoom ratio. The Pro model is also retaining the 48 megapixel Samsung GM5 telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and Pixel 8 Pro will get a new 8x8 sensor time of flight which should help with autofocus performance. Guys, both the Pixel 8 phones will also retain the 11 megapixel Samsung 3J1 front facing cameras. We also get clarification that the thermometer sensor which leaked a while back will be exclusive to the Pixel 8 Pro. Guys, in terms of camera software, Pixel 8 series will get a new adaptive torch feature that automatically adjusts the LED flash intensity to prevent overexposed low light shots and video. Scene segmentation is another new feature that will allow selective AI processing for different parts of image, and cinematic mode videos will also benefit from a new bokeh blur selection tool. Guys, we shared all details about Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro in our other videos that you can check out, and if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the subscribe and like button.